Hi everyone, I've got a Corolla Verso here. It's just doing a sidelight bulb on this. You can see this one here is working, the 501 bulb, and on this side it isn't. So the way to replace them, this is the bulb I'm going to replace. So I've got the bulb here already. You really can't see the numbers. Here we go, 501. Now to do it, it's this plug here you need to undo. Undo the plug. You get the whole thing out. Take the bulb out. You've got the new one. Obviously I've got the lights on, so it may just come on straight away. Oop, I got the wrong bulb in there again. Here we go. So done. Plug it back in. Same hole. There's only one way it goes, so you can see that hole there. If you slot it in and then twist it to your right. That's it. That's all you got to do on yours as well. Any more information, please do let us know, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video as well. Thank you very much. Goodbye.